Yeah.
Okay, solo caver from Yabong. We're gonna hiking to Lobo Cave Farm. Okay, hiking now. So we're gonna walk for 40 minutes. Gonna rest there and eat pineapple. Yeah.
Di ba diretoan siya? Andin babalin?
Mamatay
Dati
dito.
tubo nga ako niya.
Okay na. Okay. Nice view. That's the Lobo Cave farm there. Lobo Cave down there. And that's Yabong over there. Downhill now. Yeah, slowly but surely. Now here in the Lobo farm. Already cooking the copra. O, din na kita Lobo farm. And then Lobo farm. Copra time. Pinya. Snack time. Pineapple. Marasa.
Marasa.
Matamis. Only from Tagbayaon. So, Tikang Love Farm. Snack time bago mag-caving para may energy. Ano? Nice pinya. Very sweet. Yummy. Nice. Yummy. Snack time. Pineapple. Near now the Lobo Cave entrance. So from Lobo Cave Farm, where we eat our pineapple, just only 3 minutes, 4 minutes walk, we arrive at the entrance. Ready?
Ready.
Yes. Entrance of the Lobo Cave. Yeah, we're here. We made it. Yes.
I made it.
Ready na for caving. Yeah, finally. Ready na. Okay. An orientation here now. So we're in the entrance of the cave and we're preparing. Darren preparing our equipment. And we're gonna have an orientation regarding history, conservation, safety of caving. Good. So, amo ito na mga blind fish, mga blind crab. So, laging albino na hira. Dili na function, nagiging blind na hira. So, nagiging busag na hira. Yung mga white lady. Diba? Amo ito na kita. Siyempre, dili kita na-didder na magkinagpito ng mga cave. Kaya, delikado rin. Ang nansari nga itong parents. Diba sila, dito sa technology, nakakapag-share naman tayo. Real caves, real forest. So, dami na itong variety din nga. Pero din na summer, ang itong normal talaga din yun. Ano yung mga ito. Ang hatawa sa bukid, kasi ka, lumusad ba? Lumusad ng baboy, isunin ng dako ng lumo. Dako ng house na kilda. So, habang ginalalanat nila, napansin nila na nasulod na rin dako ng lumo. Ang nahadlock nila. So, headlock nila, balag na rin kalbigas. Sa balag nila, nasang nila kalbigas. Pwede dako na mouth na dako na cave. So, ito, kumanin mga Italian pag-explore, 1987. So, mga Italian, hira nag-explore ko na lang ang gabi ng cave. So, nag-stay rin dito 1 month para imap ang cave na explore. So, dako na ito, deposit na lang. Ang singon, damo nga ng limestone, damo mga cave. Kasi damo na tatabi ng underground river, mga salog. So, amo ito nga idea lang. So eventually, nakaabot hira ko dito na atong kakaturugan.
Oh.
Baka dida hira nag-settle na, dida ng balay. Tapos ito na laho dida, may baro na hira dida na may laho ito dida. So ito na laho, ito to the source and water. So ito na naglalaba, siguro na inom dida. Kamu malambaga. Lang kita na itong bubuhaton, kung ano, for emergency, for rescue. So enter with your own rest, never go caving alone, don't separate from the group. So ito importante pag naglaga, nagbugan yung diamond, nag-delivery area. So ginbubutang ito nila protection na dire makaptan ito na formation. Site, so ano may tatabo? Ang mga lagayan yung kamot, pagpupot na mo, may ingangad itong lagay dito. Tapos, imbes kayo masaling ka, okay lang niya, ako lang niya, limpihan ng brush, finger paint na butang dito. Dire na. Enough for Labo Cave?
Yeah!
Excited?
Super excited na mixed emotion.
Okay. Yeah, let's go! Exploring Labo Cave.
Go!
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, nice. Stalactites. Look it. Did they look it? Okay. Look it. Okay. Okay. That was. No. Okay. Bernab, Labo Cave. Okay, turn around. And smile. Stalagmite na stalagmite. Column na ya. Sige nga to, para picture.
Hindi po ba nakalikod?
Oh, pwede sagad. Oh, sige kapit lang. Ginala. Sige. 1, 2. Her beautiful calcite. Nag-glitter siya.
Bagan, Chris.
Stalactites.
Prepare mo ba picture na lang?
Okay. Oh, look here. Sige. Nice. Stalactites in Lobo Cave. Very beautiful. And a beautiful model.
Wow!
There. From Yabong. Wow. Beautiful. Wings of the Angel. Lobo Cave.
Oh, parang dito
Amazing.
bagan clouds.
Yeah. Beautiful?
Super!
Oh,
Bagan clouds.
amazing. Yeah. About clouds. Amazing. Wings of the Angel. Yeah. Yeah, amazing. Paradise. Here in Yabong. Yeah.
Nakita ko na, picture ko na
Yeah.
nakikita.
Yan na, reality na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So nice. Buyagla.
Only in Yabong.
Yeah.
Diba? Proud to be Yabong, no?
Proud to be abong doon.
Oh, see? You're hidden in paradise. Slowly but surely. Okay, mga. So we're going now to the Grand Canyon somewhere there. Yeah, that's our other guide, Darren. Beautiful. Yeah, paradise.
Sir,
Take a link to
ko na ako.
picture, yeah.
Paparoman ko?
Oh, sige. Kasi daig ba ang chandelier? Oh, may chandelier. Ito ang mga terraces. Water terraces. Yeah, very nice. And chandelier. Terraces.
Pag may tubig po, may nakuha sila.
Oh, pag tubig dito, may na-float yan na tubig. Tapos nangyakadiha din bagang pool. Terraces na yan din eh.
Sige daw sir, maglalakat ako.
Okay, to go in the Grand Canyon. Now, Grand Canyon. Yeah, beautiful here. Grand Canyon. We'll stop for the picture. Beautiful Grand Canyon.
So nice.
Yeah, nice. Sige lang. Yeah, underground walking. Oh, di na nakabathtub. Oh, sige na. Take a bath ka na. Di na natural bathtub. Oh.
Ano, sir?
Lob-lob ka na dito. Natural bathtub. Swimming pool. Wow, relaxing. Woohoo! Oh, di ba? Refreshing.
So refreshing. So cold.
Nice. Natural bathtub. Yeah. Romantic. Oh, nice. Nice natural bathtub. So relaxing. Yeah, beautiful. Pure crystal water. Okay. There. Okay, derecho. Okay. Driving now the Diamond Passage, going to the Lobo Cave waterfall. Ready for the vertical. 3 meter going down. Entering now Diamond Passage. Going to the waterfall. The Diamond Passage.
Isa lang niya, sir.
Oh, sige, mula ito yan.
Maybe?
Oh, sige, dito na, oh. Ilo sa demo, tail. Tapos sa bante, kita. Kita mo tatamakan, sige. We will catch you when you fall.
Wala pa naman.
Huling yan para picture. Good, 1, 2. Sige, lusad pa.
Tawa na lang minsan.
Oo. Sige, down pa.
Maybe?
Oh, sige. Bantila. Oh. Good. Sige. Sige, lusad pa. Good. Sige, padaros. To.
Tapos ang sino rin.
Okay, almost there. Ready, ready. Good. Picture. 1. Kita. Oh, pa-cute. 1, 2. Sige. Smile. Sige. Okay. Sige. Sige, padayon.
Ito.
Yeah. Almost there. Sige.
Bay na mahulog.
Sige.
Alam mo daw kung yan to?
Oh.
Mahuli ako?
Oh, 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 oh.
Mama! Mama!
Driving na the waterfall. Beautiful. Nice.
Batman. And they are here sleeping. Many bats flying around. Okay. Nice. Pagdawla. Good. Chocolate chandelier. Stalactite. Many Batman. Nice. There are many.
Like hundreds.
Huh? Underground river. Nothing na. Oh. Underground river. In the underground river. Ready for swimming underground river? Okay, open your light and swim. Okay, explore your world. Woohoo! Oh, shower, take your shower. So underground river. Oh, nice shower. Yeah, nice shower. Okay, shower time. Woohoo! Yeah, very nice. Shower time. Shower in the cave. So we continue there swimming underground river. Yeah, nice. Rapid. We're here in the rapid. Underground river. Lobo Cave. Yeah, beautiful here. Big chamber. Nice, beautiful.
After long time.
Yeah. Yeah, beautiful rapid. Woohoo! We're near now to the dead end. Dead end of the underground river. Yeah. Enjoying the rapid. Yeah, nice. Enjoying the rapid. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, here. Oh. Dead end. Come to the dead end. Yeah, we made it. We're here in the dead end. Underground river. Nice. Na. Finish ang swimming. May na pa, unahan pa. Oh. Para marisyo. Pag uli niya mo, dati ka na lamangoy. Ano? Pwede ka na mag-swimming dito sa Yabong. Sleeping time. Big chamber again. Many pass. Big chamber. Sandbar. The rapids. Rapids. Beautiful. No. Beautiful. Ano? Sandbar. Oop. Yun na eh. Slowly. Slowly but surely. Okay. Okay, ha? Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Beautiful, mushroom. Also there, giant jellyfish. Ano? Beautiful? Nice, giant jellyfish. Yeah, giant jellyfish. Very beautiful. And back to the waterfall. Very nice. Okay, nice. Woohoo! Okay, nice. Nice. Lobo Cave Waterfall. Beautiful. Okay, up. Ganito.
Nila po.
Sige lang, take your time.
Baga, nagka-carve na taklawas. There's no way out.
Ito mo na. I'm up now.
Ginagawa
Rock climbing, rock climbing.
Rock climbing, but I can't climb.
Sige, ikaw bala. Ano na yung... Sige. Balinin mo tail. God. Mas kwan liwat. Buhat. God. To. Sige. Mas balinin natin mo tail. God. Okay, ito na. Okay, ikaw wala. Running na, almost there. Makasaka na ya. Rock climbing in the Diamond Passage. Sige lang, marita pa ka, nidala. Okay. Almost there. Okay, good. Congratulations. Okay, bye-bye. You made it. Good. Good job. Yeah. Okay. Sige, pangauna.
Lunchtime.
Oh, para may energy. Oh, vegetable. Chicken. Yeah. Para may energy. Pag-explore. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Okay, vegetable, chicken, rice. Para may energy again. Lunchtime in the cave.
May hipon po.
That's our lunch area. So we're gonna go now to the upper part of the cave. We're gonna hold there and we're gonna climb up there in the upper part of the Lobo cave. 1, 2. Okay. We're going now to the upper part of the cave. Okay. Hmm. Okay. What's there? Beautiful view. Nice formation. Like chandelier. Mag-exit? Mag-exit na kita.
Exit na.
Ha?
Excited na mag-exit.
Oo. Balik na kita payag para makapahuway dito.
Opo.
So magbaboting na kita niyan.
Okay.
Balik kay Yabong. Yay. Okay. Okay. Tindog. God kaput. Okay. So going back now. Sige, lusad pa nga liyo, boss. God. Okay. Sige, diretso. Lusad pa yung motel na usa. Ito na, boss. God. Okay. Okay, kapatla. Sige. Okay. So, gagana swimming na, going to the exit. So, ready for swimming. The underground river to the exit. So, we're gonna go in now to the exit by swimming here. Let's go. Walking up. Slowly. Okay. So that's now the area going to the exit of Lobo Cave. We're gonna swim further. Very nice. Congrats, we made it out in the cave. Did you enjoy?
Super!
Huh? Yeah, okay.
I did it!
Okay, congratulations, you made it. Lobo Cave. Okay, out in the cave. Out in here, out in the cave and go now to the Lobo farm. Time to change. Yeah, nice. Okay, good. Right. Okay. Okay. Farm, we finished our Lobo Cave. We enjoy. We made it. Yeah. Okay, gonna change na. We're writing now his comment about his hair caving experience. Bye-bye, Labo Farm. Go na to the boat area. Gonna boating to Yabong. Just finish our caving.
Dudulong ako na reset.
Mauli na Yabong. Tara nila yung pag-uli kay pag ko ng baloto ada nira balay. Hiking again.
May butterfly.
River. Clear water in the river. Just walking. The boulders. Need to watch out. So the boat's almost there. They're waiting there. Yeah. Time for boating to Yabong. Walking the boulders. You're now thinking of Ada kita think of river.
Finally nakakalimutan.
Kakakanan mula sa pagad eh. Kakakanan mula sa pagad eh.
High school po yan.
High school pa, yun nakapala nakabalik.
College.
College. Kasi nakapala nakabalik atro. Mga pera 5 years.
16?
Pera ka years?
2016 natin last.
Ah, 2016 yung pagad eh. May na nga yan.
2016 ay 14.
Oh.
Ay, 13, sorry. 13.
Ah, 13 pa?
College pa ako. Opo.
Ah.
13.
So kami ni pamarigo na noon. Ano ka to nagsiswimming?
Opo, sa laro min eh.
May larang pa noon.
Malari na.
May larang man niya basta nag-high tide. Okay. Ada ya kon himan niya mo pwede manak.
Oo.
Oh.
Ang palwa kay alat kang kay piraw.
Ah, puro piraw.
Piraw hiya kay na magkuan hira ka gabi nilip.
Nilip. So boating na. Bye-bye. Sa liwat kay low tide. So gonna walk again. Yeah. Just a boat now. I'm gonna ride now that boat. Yeah. To Yabong. Boat again. The big boat going now to Yabong. Yeah.
Ayun naman ako kuya da.
Boating time. Arrive in Yabong. Yeah, okay. Yeah, finally Yabong already. It's not raining already. Yeah, we're done our caving. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you for the next caving in Lobo Cave.